Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever felt like your skin is just tired, congested, or in need of a reset, you're going to want to pay close attention today. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a tip or review that helps your skin feel its absolute best. I'm taking a closer look at the Purifying Mud Mask and Peeling Mineral Mask Kit by Alma K, designed specifically for women. This two-piece set includes a 3.4-ounce mud mask and a 3.4-ounce peeling mineral mask. Both are formulated to detoxify and purify the skin, gently remove dead skin cells, and leave your complexion refreshed and radiant. The masks are enriched with minerals and Dead Sea mud, making them ideal for a weekly facial treatment at home. From the first application, the mud mask has a rich, creamy texture that spreads easily across the skin. It immediately feels soothing and grounding, and the mineral-rich formula gives a subtle cooling effect. I used it as part of my evening skincare routine, leaving it on for the recommended time, and I noticed my skin felt tighter, cleaner, and surprisingly hydrated, not stripped at all. The peeling mineral mask complements this by gently exfoliating, lifting away dead skin cells without any harsh scrubbing. I followed up with my usual moisturizer, and my skin looked noticeably brighter and smoother the next morning. The masks are easy to rinse off, and there's minimal residue, which is always a bonus. One of the standout aspects of this kit is how thoughtfully formulated it is. The Dead Sea minerals are known for their detoxifying and skin-soothing properties, and Alma K has balanced the ingredients so that both masks deliver visible results without irritation. On the flip side, the only minor downside is that if you have extremely sensitive skin, the peeling mask might feel a little strong on first use, so patch testing is recommended. In terms of value, this kit is priced in the mid-range, and given that each mask is 3.4 ounces and designed for weekly use, it provides solid value for anyone looking to add a spa-like treatment to their home routine. Compared to other mud or mineral masks on the market, the Alma K kit stands out for its dual mask approach, combining detoxification and gentle exfoliation in one set. Packaging is clean and sturdy, which makes it easy to store and use regularly without worrying about leaks or spills. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't personally needed to reach out to customer service, but Alma K has a strong reputation for responsive support and quality products, which adds confidence when purchasing. No recent updates have been noted for this kit, so what you see is the version currently available. If you're exploring alternatives, other mineral or mud masks exist at lower price points, but few combine both a purifying and a peeling mask in one kit with such thoughtful formulation. For those who want a luxurious, effective home facial, this kit is hard to beat. Overall, the Alma K Purifying Mud Mask and Peeling Mineral Mask Kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to detoxify, exfoliate, and brighten their skin without leaving it dry or irritated. It's particularly well suited for women who want a simple yet effective weekly skincare ritual. The masks deliver on their promises, offering a spa-like experience at home with visible, satisfying results. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the kit is in the comments and description box below. If you've tried these masks, drop a comment and share your experience. I love hearing what works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.